Sorry. Alright. Can we just look very quickly at this question? Read the registration. After I do the question, then you can go over the registration. But let's just do this question very quickly. It says what? Using a calculator or otherwise, calculate the exact value of. So this question is from January 2017, and we're looking at question 1. AI is asking us to find the exact value of 3.5 multiplied by 1 2/3 divide by 4 1/5. What did you get for the answer? Sorry? Let me know.
117.
Let's find out. Alright, the first thing I would do is this. I would write it in a different format. That's the first thing I would do. So I'd write it like this. This is 3.5 multiplied by 1 2/3. That is the numerator. Divide by 4 1/5. That is the denominator. The next thing I would do is I would convert all mixed numbers to improper fractions. So 2 3s and 1.
7.
So this is 7/2. Multiplied by 3 1s and 2.
5.
So this is 5/3. This is still the what? Start with n. Numerator. Divide by 5 4s
20.
and 1.
21.
This is 21/5. Now, whenever you multiply in fractions, what you do is you cancel. When you multiply in fractions, what you do is you cancel. Can anything here cancel? Can 3 cancel 7?
No.
Can 2 cancel 5?
No.
No. If nothing can cancel, what you're going to do is that you're going to multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. So this becomes 7 5s.
35.
This is 35 over 2 3s.
6.
6 divided by 21/5. So this is still the numerator and this is the denominator. So now we're dividing fractions. When you're dividing fractions, what you do is that you write back the first fraction. So this is 35/6. Change the division sign to what? And what? Invert. 5/21. Now we're multiplying fractions again. What should we do? Start with C. Cancel. 7 into 21. 7 into 35. Can anything else cancel? When nothing else can cancel, this is what you do. 5 times 5.
25.
6 times 3.
18.
Ladies and gentlemen, your answer should be
1 and 7.
1/7/18. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
If you didn't, you just got joke. Alright. Ladies and gentlemen, it's the first question on the paper. Ensure that you do not get it what? Wrong. First question on the paper, ensure you don't get it wrong. Alright, let's go to the B part of the question. Sorry, before that, I. This is 5 4/7 minus the square root of 0.1014 divided by 1.5. Alright? Now, the instruction would have said, using a calculator or otherwise. Do not be a hero. Hero gets what? 0. If they say using a calculator or otherwise, use a calculator. So, what is the first thing I have to work out here? Okay, I'll do the square root first. The first thing you have to do is the what? Is the division. So this is 5.47 minus the square root of, what is 0.1014 divided by 1.5? 0.067. 6, 7, 6. Now do not cut what? Decimal places. Don't cut. Is that exactly what you see on the calculator? Fine. What next? Obviously we're going to have to subtract something, right? But we cannot subtract unless we first find what? What is the value of this? So we have to do what? Square root. This becomes 5.47 minus, what is the square root of this? 0.26. Last thing you do is to what? Addition and subtraction are lower level operations. They're always done last. Subtract, what do you get? 5.21. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Next. B. B says, tickets sold for a bus tour. This says what? Sorry. Let me read it. This question says, the table below shows the number of tickets sold for a bus tour. Some items in the table are missing. So we have what? Tickets sold for the bus tour. We have category, number of tickets sold, cost, what? Cost per ticket. That's the cost of one ticket. And then you have the total cost in what? In dollars. Now the idea here is that if I know the cost of what? One, if you're dealing with multiple numbers of the same quantity, and you know the cost of one, to find the cost of any other amount, what must I do? Help me now. Lord, prepare me to be a sanctuary. One more time. When dealing with multiple numbers of the same quantity, and you know the cost or size or value of what? One. To find the size or cost or value of any other amount, what must you do? Alright, let me put it in terms that you know. One bulla costs what? $50. To find the cost of 7 bullas, what must I do? So in other words, if I know the cost of one, I can find out the cost of any other number by doing what? Fine. 7 bullas cost $350. What is the cost of one bulla? $750. Sorry, 7 bullas cost $350. What is the cost of one bulla?
$50.
Where you get that?
Divide.
So if I know the cost of many, I can find out the cost of one by doing what?
Divide.
Alright, one more thing now. I bought some $50 bullas and I spent $750. How many bullas did I buy? Lord, the silence is deafening. I bought $50 bullas and I spent a total of $350. How many bullas did I buy? Talk to me. How do you get that? So if you have many and you want to find one, you what? Divide. If I tell you how much I spend and I tell you the cost of one, I can to determine the amount I'm going to buy by also what? Divided. Let's work now. Alright, so I've got juvenile. What is the total cost of 5 juvenile tickets? Help me now. Look at the table. What is the cost of 5 juvenile tickets? $130.50. So if I know the cost of 5 juvenile tickets, I can find out the cost of one ticket by doing what? Ladies and gentlemen, P is equal to 130.5 divided by 5. What did you get? 20 what? It's $26.10. Let's go for Q. What is the cost of one youth ticket? What is the cost of one youth ticket? Say it again. $44.35. To find the cost of 14, what must I do? Q is equal to what? 44 point what? 35 times 14. Go on again.
620.9.
Alright. Please listen to this. We're told that what? An adult ticket costs an adult ticket is twice the cost of one youth ticket. What is the cost of a youth ticket? So one adult ticket is what? 44.35 times 2. What else? $88.70. Then they ask now, how much money was spent? Let me ask you, how much money was spent buying buying adult tickets? How much money was spent buying adult tickets? Fine. What is the cost of one adult ticket? How many adult tickets did they buy? R, which is the number of adult tickets, is equal to what? 2483.6 divided by 88 and 70 cents. How many what did we get?
28.
This is 28 adult tickets. Lastly, the bus company pays a tax of 15% on each ticket sold. Calculate the tax paid by the bus company. So every ticket that was sold, they pay a tax of what? 15%. Alright, they sold what? 3 categories of ticket. They sold what? Juvenile, youth, and what? Adults. So let's find out the total amount of money they collected. Total would be equal to what? 130 and 50 cents. That's the amount for what? Youth tickets. Then what? Juvenile, 620 point what? Alright, that's what youth. And adult, $2,483.60. And what did we get? $3,035 flat? Are you sure? Alright. So, how much tax do they pay on that? So the tax is simply equal to what? 15% of what? 3.5. 15% as a decimal is 0.15 times 3.235. Multiply and tell me what you get. What is it? Somebody talk. $400 and what? $85 and 25 cents. Alright. Any problems? Any questions? Alright, that's question number 1.